In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an envelope in Docusign. This is a practical guide for anyone looking to streamline their workflow with digital documents. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Docusign. Once there, navigate to the Agreements section. This is where all your document activities will be organized, allowing for a seamless management experience. Docusign is a powerful tool when it comes to handling paperwork digitally, and this step is essential for accessing the features you'll need to create your envelope. Next, look for the Start Now button. Clicking this will begin the process of creating a new envelope. It's an intuitive step that lets Docusign know you're ready to create or send documents. Now, once you've initiated the process, you'll see the Upload option. This is pivotal as it allows you to upload the document you want to send. You can choose a document directly from your desktop or select a template if you have one. Templates can save you a lot of time if you're repeatedly sending similar documents, so if you haven't explored using templates yet, it might be worth looking into. Moving along, after selecting your document, click on Use a Template. This will allow you to apply any preset formatting and fields to your document. Templates can help ensure consistency, especially when sending multiple documents with similar requirements. For those using templates regularly, the next logical step is to click on Test Template to ensure everything looks right and functions as expected. Once you're satisfied with the template application, proceed to Add Selected. This action confirms your choice and moves you forward in the envelope creation process. It's a simple yet crucial step in finalizing the document setup and making sure your selections are applied correctly. After you've completed selecting your document and template, you need to add recipients. Look for the Add Recipients button. This is where you'll specify who needs to sign or review the document. Filling in recipient information is straightforward, but essential in making sure the envelope reaches the right people. With the recipients added, the last step is to click Next. This action takes you to the final stages of sending your envelope. Here, you can double-check all the information you've entered before hitting the final Send button. And there you have it. You've successfully created an envelope in Docusign. By following these steps, you can easily manage and send your documents, saving time and effort. Keep practicing these steps, and you'll become adept at using Docusign in no time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you in your document management.